Hello friends, today we will have a short video, a short repair, but the special feature will be that I will tell you as much as possible about what I will be doing here and how. The damage is right here. We will partially replace the rocker panel, do some straightening and some replacing to avoid getting too involved here and paint with a spray. So we will replace this door. Well, in short, watch everything. I will explain and show everything as much as possible. Enjoy watching. So guys, let's start the repair. In short, we'll start by removing this door more precisely. First, I'll remove the glass, take off the trim while it's still connected, and then I'll remove the door itself. The next step will be to remove the threshold, jack it up, secure it with one clamp to fix it, because we'll have to pull the inner arch. Here we will try our best to align more so that we can join with the rocker panel as low as possible. Well, anyway, watch everything. I will show everything. I will explain everything. So we start with the door. Now we open it, remove the trim, remove the glass, and then remove the door itself. So friends, now I will explain to you why we removed the glass just now. Because when we disconnect the door, the connector there, it will be de-energized and we will no longer be able to move the window regulator. And ours is attached at 2 points. One is visible through the hole. When the glass is fully raised, you can see the bolt through the hole. Here it's a 10. You just need to loosen it and then lower it a bit below. And here on the contrary, there's a latch. You need to press it. That's it. Remove the glass. Of course, you can unscrew the window lifter motor, then handle. Well, anyway, it's complicated. It's easiest like this. Just remove the glass right away, then simply transfer everything to the new door, and that's it. Now I'm disconnecting the connector. All right, the door is unscrewed. 4 bolts and lower. There, 4 bolts, and that's it. The door is removed. Well, we will hang something over the opening here so that no dust flies into the column. And I will start removing the threshold. I'll remove the threshold, jack it up, take off the wheel, secure the car with one clamp right here. And then I'll start tightening. Well, in short, watch, I'll show everything. So guys, basically, as you can see, we have disassembled everything. What do we need now? Now I have put the car in jack mode, and because we have air suspension here, now we take like this. Air jack. Calmly lift, unscrew the wheel and place it on one leg.
removing the wheel. Move it aside so it doesn't get in our way. Okay, and what? Place the jack.
We will pull it this way, so we turn it like this. We don't need a lot of force here. No koniec. So guys, the next step for us is to lift this wing here. The door, as you can see, I moved. And what do we have? Because the impact hit here, it bent the wing a lot, shifted it like this. And now when I place the door is higher than the wing. If we pull this part here, accordingly, the wing will lift up here. We will align this as much as possible, pull here so it rotates as much as possible. And also when we pull this out, this part will sink and settle into place.
To zwróćmy uwagę, as you have already seen, I tightened here, everything is good. Now we have cut out the excess, we don't need this boot, it's damaged. I cut a little less than I will later to tighten this part. Here we lifted it, but it's still not enough. We need to tighten this part a bit more and it will fold upwards. Well, and here we'll adjust a little more. Plus, we need to tighten this, we'll tighten it too. And here we also need to pull out a little. So these are my next steps.
I've already the donor.
This donor part, I cut it larger. Thank you, Seryoga, for letting me film.
So so I took the car off the frame and lowered it to the ground. Now I will work on the ground because it's inconvenient to jump high on the frame and I don't need to pull anything, so there was no point in keeping it there. What did I do? I already adjusted the boot, cleaned off the glue everywhere and left a small gap here for better welding at a lower temperature. The edges then melt more easily and accordingly there will be less deformation on the rest. Now I will remove everything.
I have a nice even gap here. Now I will remove the boot, apply glue and weld it back. I will weld slowly, spot by spot, to avoid high temperatures. Well, guys, we've finished this little repair. Share in the comments if you liked this format, if we should make more videos like this and explain in more detail how things are done. Here, as you can see, everything is clear. In short, we cleaned everything, sharpened all the welding, primed, assembled the door, sealed everything necessary. The car will go to Liaka, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. My contact number on WhatsApp, Viber will be in the description under the video. Plus, there will also be links to my social networks.
Wishing everyone a good mood and goodbye.